Hey Technetious Tigers, here's your G Suite tip of the week. Make Google Chrome your default web browser. Our district-issued laptops are Windows machines, so typically our default web browsers are Internet Explorer or the updated version, which is known as Microsoft Edge. Attempting to open G Suite files in these two browsers will cause frustrations and glitches because any G Suite files typically don't mesh well with those two browsers. The first step to making Google Chrome your default browser is to go in the top right corner of Google Chrome, click on the three vertical dots, go to Settings, a new tab will open with all of your settings options. Scroll down until you see Default Browser. There should be a button that says Make Default, and this is you making Google Chrome your default web browser. Go ahead and select that. A window may pop up asking you if you're sure you would like to do that. Select Use Chrome. Shortly thereafter, you should see now that it says Google Chrome is your default browser. And that's it. Thanks for watching.